Namaste everyone. Today I'll be teaching you again three standing postures which are very good for your health, and it really helps to stimulate your nervous system. Like if we talk about the first one which I'll be teaching you is Trikona Asana. Trikona Asana really helps to stimulate the nervous system and elevates your nervous depression. It also improves your digestion, strengthening your pelvic area, and also it helps to tone the reproductive organs. The second one is Parivartit Trikona Asana, which I will be teaching you the easiest form, or you can call it as with the props. I will be teaching you so that you can come more deeper to that postures with proper alignment. The third one will be Veerbhadrasana part 2. Yeah, part 2. In this posture, this posture really helps you to stretch your legs, arms, and it also helps to make your legs stronger, relieving your back pains. As it is a deep hip opening asana, this really helps to strengthen the muscles in your thighs and in your buttocks. Yeah, so let's start with the asana. The first one is your Trikonasana, or you call it as triangle pose. So for the triangle pose, you will spread your legs, not too much but to a limit, and then you bring your right foot 90 degree, left straight, and in this way you can, if you want, you can use your chair also. I will give you the option for your chairs, those who aren't able to do it without the chair. So first I will be telling you the option without the chair. Bring your hands to your shoulder level. Inhale, stretch your arms so that it is parallel to your or in level with your shoulders. Open your chest. Now as you exhale, bring your left thumb near to your small finger base, palm facing the floor. Now inhale, and as you exhale, try to push your leg, or you can say you can push the joint of your right leg so that the joint of your upper leg, the left leg, is overlapping your right leg, pushing it like this. And as you exhale, now stretch your hand as if you are going to touch something and slowly come down. Either you can hold your ankle. If you are not able to go up till here, if you are able to go up till here, that is also okay. You can hold your shin and lift your arms up, stretched up. Try not to scoop yourself. In fact, try to open your chest and lengthen yourself. Now look at the ceiling or the joint of your elbow. And if you can go down, it's good. Touch the ground, or you can keep your hand or like this. Whatever option is okay for you, and look up. Breathe. 5 breaths. And with every inhalation, try to open your chest more and more. After 5 breaths, inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, bring your right leg straight. Now let's do it to the left side. In, left side. Breathe, open your chest. Exhale, slowly go down. So this exercise really helps to stretch your inner thighs, and it also helps to open your chest. Now inhale, slowly lift yourself up. Legs straight. So if you want, if you feel that your shoulders are getting scooped, you can do it with the chair, or you can take the support of the bricks. You can keep the brick here even in first level, second level, or third level. Legs straight, in, and as you exhale, you can keep your hand on the brick and stretch yourself up, opening your chest. Slowly you can go to second level, to third level. In, lift yourself up. The same way you can do it with your left side. Now with the chair, how you can do it? You come to the front of the chair, legs up so that you have a support of your chair. Now inhale, and as you exhale, you go down and hold. If you want, you can bend the legs for the senior citizen. Go down, bend, and with your left hand, try to hold the arm of the chair, the back arm of the chair, and slowly go down with your right hand, holding the legs of the chair. In this way, you will be opening your arm or opening your shoulders. If you come front, you will be able to keep your legs straight. Yeah, inhale up, or you can to the back side of the chair. In, now as you exhale, hold the back portion of the chair and slowly come down. If you aren't able to come that much down, you can hold the chair and come as slowly as possible. Slowly, you can start like this, and then slowly, you can come down. In this way, you will be opening your chair with giving a proper alignment to your legs. Inhale, lift yourself up. So same thing, you can repeat it towards your left side also. Hold. Keep your legs straight. Right leg facing front, left leg towards your left. Now slowly go down, opening your chest with the help of the leg of the chair. If you see the leg of the chair, and if you hold the backrest, you will be opening your shoulders as well. Inhale, lift yourself up. So this really helps to make the asana more easy. The second one, which I will be teaching you with prop, is your Veerbhadrasana part 2. But before then, in the same way, you can do the Parivartit Trikona Asana, but it will be little difficult as it gives a twist to your hip. So it's the same way I will teach you. Is you bring your right leg to 90 degree. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, you turn. Again, breathe in. Now exhale, you bring your left hand outside of your right leg and open your chest. So with the support of the chair, you can hold the chair and open. Either you can hold it over here, as deeper as you can go, and open your chest. Exhale, you come to Trikonasana. In, lift yourself up. Same way you can do to your left side as well. In, exhale, you turn. Now in, again, exhale, you bring your right hand outside of your left leg and open your chest. So if you face difficulty in your back leg, you can tilt the leg little inwards so that it supports your knee. And you turn. Same way you can take the support of the chair to open your chest. Inhale, you come to Trikonasana. Exhale. Now in, lift yourself up. So this is Parivartit Trikonasana, which you can do with the support of chair as well, just to open your chest. The third one is your Veerbhadrasana part 2. That's very simple. Those who are facing problem, I will be teaching them with the chair. But first let me tell you, the first option is you spread your legs, left leg straight, right leg 90 degree. Now exhale, you bend your right leg. Make sure the knee is in line with your ankle. Open your thighs. So in this way, the muscles are opening it outwards. Be in the center. Inhale, open your chest and bring your arms to shoulder level. Now, breathe. Now slowly with inhalation, turn your head towards your right side and gaze the middle finger. Opening your chest. Stay here for 5 breaths. If you want, you can go more deeper. After 5 breaths, inhale, slowly make your legs straight. Bring your arms to your waist. Turn your foot and shift towards your left side. Try not to turn. Keep yourself straight. Keep your hips straight. X. If you want, you can go more deeper. Making your back leg firm and strong. In, leg straight, hands on your waist, and slowly either you jump back or either you walk back. Now with the chair, how we can do it? Now for the senior citizen, what you can do is bring your leg, spread your leg, and if you want, you can sit on that so that you are opening it, making your back leg firmly grounded. And inhale, bring your hip front or your body front and lift yourself. So this is the easiest way which those who are facing problems in their knees, they can do it. And slowly, if you want, you can lift yourself up. And if you can't, slowly down, in, lift. Making sure your knee is in line with your ankle. Same way you can do it towards your left side. You bring your left leg here, hold the chair, spread. So your head will only turn, not your body. Make your back leg firmly grounded. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring your hands down. Lift yourself up and back. I hope you like my asanas. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.